These are the 18-wheeled container units we customized for our Nigerian client. Let's take a look at what they are used for.
This is cabin number 1. It's a bathroom. Showers open so you can see the installation. The shower installation, where it's installed with the water resistant wallpaper. See? The GB and the heater and the water line running down to where you have the wash hand basins, the socket switch, the lighting system overhead, lamps, and we've gone through all of them to check if the lighting system and the lighting is working. This is cabin number 2. Cabin number 2 is still a bathroom. I want to show you a video of what it looks like when the curtains are drawn. The shower curtains, I mean, drawn. So it's basically the same thing with the first, just to show you and give you a mental picture of, practical picture of what it looks like when the curtains are drawn. Cabin number 3 is still bathroom. Cabin number 4 is toilet. It's 4 and 4 is toilet. That's the lock. That's what it looks like when it's open, when nobody's inside. The toilet. The toilet. And that's the bathroom. There's a urinary. Something the toilet only has. The bathroom does not have a urinary. The water system. So we'll see it only these ones, and then all of that will now be, I'll tell you what is inside. Tell you what's inside. Cabin number 5 is the first bathroom. Cabin number 6 is another toilet. Cabin number 7 is another toilet. Cabin number 8. Toilet. They are doing pretty touchy. There's a small heat, small error they are correcting in cabin number 8. Cabin number 9. Cabin number 10. Like I said, I won't be going inside anymore because it's basically the same thing. Number 10. They're all the same. All the toilets are the same. 11. They're working finishing touches. This is 12. 13. 14. I'm moving from cabin to cabin, so it's taking me a while to close the doors and shut the doors and cover the door. 15. 16. 17. 17. This is the 18th. Just trying to pick dangerous screw. 18th.
This project is divided into 2 types of rooms, bathrooms, and toilets. It is customized according to customer needs. Wheels are installed under each house to facilitate easy movement, and it is suitable for use in various scenarios. What do you think of this design?